Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I bring you some exclusive content for all those people who want to get started with Pega. How can you learn Pega for free without paying for learning this for any tutors? How can you learn this for free? I'll be walking you through step by step how exactly you can register and learn Pega for free with access to latest Pega 8.8 version where you can build enterprise application and play around with all the rules which are available as part of that particular version. As part of this video, we'll be going over how you can register to Pega's authentic PDN website where you can learn different aspects of Pega. You can sign up for missions, challenges, and also very important, how you can access the Pega 8.8 environment, which Pega itself is offering for free, how you can make use of it with your Gmail ID. You don't even have to be working in any organization to access this content. You are free to access this content. I'll show you how you can do that. Also, few mistakes which I did when I started learning, how you can cover that by accessing the Pega community forums. How does that help you in learning Pega faster is something we'll go over. Stay tuned, and of course, if you like such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll be bringing exclusive content to you with respect to Pega. Stay tuned. The first thing you will need is you will need a browser which has access to internet, which is Chrome for me here, and all you have to do is look up for something called pdn.pega.com. Just look up for this website. It brings you here, right? It brings you here. pdn.pega.com brings you here. You have to just come over here and sign up for an account. To sign up, you can just click on this top right icon here and click on sign up. Once you hit sign up, a form pops up where you can link this to your LinkedIn and you would be registering with your LinkedIn details. If you don't want to do that, and if you're not working in any organization, you just have your Gmail ID, right, to access. You can just fill that. Here I have given MS Dhoni, United States, working for BCCI, just some random content, and I have created a sample Gmail ID which is Pega World 2022. Chose a password and I'm giving sign up. Let us see if we can sign up with this. I'm sure we can do that just with your Gmail ID. I have just given my Gmail ID. That is what I want to highlight, because most of the students think that they need to have an organization ID. They should be working somewhere to get this thing. Not necessary at all. Even if you're a student, you can sign up to this and you should be able to get an account. Let's hit sign up and see what happens. Well, as soon as I gave sign up, I got an email to activate my account. I opened that from support at accounts.pega.com. I got an email to activate that account. I have to just click on verify now and it should verify my account. Just click on this and it will verify your account. After you click verify now, it should verify your account, and then what you should be doing is just go back to another browser tab, click on pdn.pega.com and log in with your credentials. I do have my credentials, what I have registered with. I click on login and I will say, it will tell company email. Don't worry about this thing. Just give whatever is your email. Here my email is pegaworld2022@gmail.com. Next, and I have saved my password. It should populate automatically. If not, yeah, it's already there. So I'm using my Gmail ID. Click on verify. This should take me into the PDN account. Perfect. I'm into my PDN account. This is where we will be understanding how exactly we can register to any program. Let us say I want to learn what is basically Pega platform all about. All you have to do is click on training here. Click on training from this bar. Click on training and click on missions. Training and missions. From here, we will be understanding how exactly we can sign up or take any modules for learning, training, and missions. So this is loading me the missions which are available. This is the missions which are available as part of PDN. PDN is also known as Pega Academy. Perfect. We are here. Now I want to get understand what is Pega platform all about. I have to search for it. I can search it here. All I do is just click on English because it's available in multiple languages. Choose English here and let the mission be there, right? Missions is selected, let it be there. Let's say I am someone who is really fresh to Pega. I will choose beginner. So it will sort all the videos for all the missions at a beginner level. And I also can make sure I'm just looking for core Pega platform product. How can I do that? Just choose Pega platform here. And you are just looking at Pega platform related content. If you see here, the first thing I see is application development foundation. This is a 7-hour free course available for anyone who is signing up with his Gmail ID. This is a free content on 8.8 version. Let me open this mission. If I open this mission, I will see all that topics which are going to be covered. What is going to be covered as part of this? They are covering low code defined, which is a module for 45 minutes, which has 4 topics. Managing application development, 3 topics, 45 minutes. There is a challenge also. We'll go over each of those. Just see, this is a 7-hour content which is available. And in the end, there is a mission test also for 15 questions. Absolutely free for you, right? The next thing you have to do is just open the first module and you will see what chapters are there as part of it. There is low code application development, workspaces, app studio, and integrating with external applications. And there is a module quiz. Each and every topic can be accessed. Just click on this and it should bring you up what the topic has. It tells you the details about what this chapter has. You just have to read this and understand what exactly it is. Very simple. It's pretty basic, plain English is what they have used. You can just click on next topic and go over each and every topic, right? It's very easy to understand, read and understand this. And also to make sure you have understood everything really well, what they have done, they have also added challenges. As after you go over this theory, they do have few videos also, but they do also have challenge. This challenge is all about doing practical. This challenge is all about doing practical. Just open this wherever you see this orange challenge. This is where you will be getting your free environment. I'm stressing this, guys. Free environment. Just open this and you will see that Pega is offering you a free environment. How can I access that? See, this is where they are talking about scenario. I get so many questions from candidates asking for, can we learn from by building on scenarios? These are the scenarios which Pega has already built for you. Here, on the challenge, once you come inside, see, this is on 8.8 version. You can also switch back to previous versions. 8.7, 8.6 is also you can go back to, but I would say go with 8.8, learn with the latest version. Once you come down here, you will see there is a username and password, and this is where you will be getting your free environment, free 8.8 environment ready for your use. How can I get that? Just click on this launch Pega instance for this challenge. What this does is it spins off a Pega environment on cloud. See, it is spinning off a new Pega environment on cloud. Pega Academy is providing me this environment because I had already clicked, it's already launching me this particular instance. So you can also come here, click on this, and what you have to do as part of that challenge, they also give you a video which will walk you through what is being done in this video. All you have to do is read these instructions and implement in this environment. You don't have to install anything. This is a browser based cloud Pega environment being offered to you for free. Every challenge has this free instance. If you want to reset the instance, you can click and reset. And if you want to take a backup of what you have built, you can go to you can create a product rule, or from you can package this particular whatever detail, whatever application you have built, you can package it by going on configure and application and export, and you can take a backup of that. Well, there are multiple ways to do that. What I am trying to stress here is this is freely available and you can access it. All you have to do is come and launch the Pega instance for this challenge. In the same way, there are multiple challenges which they have given. There are 5 challenges which are freely available for this particular course content. Come down, see sizing of a Pega platform project. This is also another challenge, and every challenge should have a Pega instance. See, this is how you will be launching an instance. Just initialize Pega instance is what you have to give. And what Pega does is at this point, it is building a cloud environment for you to work on. See, it tells you we are now preparing your Pega instance. As soon as you click on that, within 2 to 3 minutes, it will build you a fresh Pega instance using which you can start learning. You don't need a high-end laptop or anything. All this is for free from Pega. If you ask me why should we learn from here, why not from the trainers, you can learn from anywhere. The advantage here is, of course, it is free and it is being provided from Pega, in the sense all the content here is completely monitored, curated, and is latest. That is why we should be learning from here. So after within couple of minutes, it should be able to generate what exactly the new environment, and you should get a link here. And if you want to understand what this challenge is all about, you can also see this video in every exercise. After the exercise is explained, there is a video, and they also give you detailed steps how exactly you have to do it. You can follow along with this thing and get real practical hands-on experience with this product. With this kind of training, I'm telling you, you will get really detailed understanding of what Pega is all about. See, now it tells your Pega instance is ready. If I click on this, I'll get another Pega cloud instance which is ready for login, a new instance which Pega has given me to login. What are the credentials for this? In the same exercise, you will be able to find it. You can find those. What is that? Author at GoGo Road. See, login, author at GoGo Road, and take the password from here. This will be helping you in logging into this absolutely free. Don't you think we should utilize this particular opportunity to learn Pega for free from here? Don't have to do anything. Everything is available. All the necessary rules also are built. You just have to follow along with this exercise. If you want to play around, you can play around also with this environment. You can create whatever you want. And this is 8.8 version. Right now, the personal edition available is for 8.7, but this is 8.8.1 version. If you see here, this is the power of utilizing this particular platform, right? Also, something which you have to know is there is something called as support tab. Just click on this support tab, going back to the PDN wherever we are accessing this exercise, right? Of course, we understood how exactly we can access a new instance and get a cloud environment to work for. That should be helpful for us. Along with this, something which I didn't do when I was learning was exploring this support tab. In this support tab, there is something called as support center home. This will help you learn a lot. Just follow along with this video and see what you can achieve. Most of the questions we have with respect to Pega are doubts people ask here in this space. Ask a question, answer a question, start a discussion. So this space has the entire world of Pega. All the users come here and put in their request, share their knowledge. So this is where we should be going and exploring what is Pega all about. Once we learn from the training, come to this space which is called as Pega Support Center, right? From the support tab, support center home. And if you come down in this, you will see all the recent posts, the questions, what all questions people are asking, how to open attachment without downloading, checkboxes are not visible in the layout table, having RDS source. These are the issues clients and customers are going through. This will help you learn a great deal because everyone who responds on this is an expert who has already experienced this issue and how they have resolved. So in your free time, you should come here, open this and understand what exact response, what exact issues people are facing and how exactly people are trying to solve that. This will help you learn a lot. I didn't do this in my initial years, but if I was supposed to start learning Pega today, I would strongly recommend doing this by learning from Pega Academy as well as going over this support center for all the issues which Pega folks who are using Pega are facing. This is one small video to help you understand how exactly you can utilize these free resources to enable yourself in the Pega world. Hope this helps you get started and explore new avenues with respect to Pega. If you like this video, share and also drop us comments on what sort of videos would you want us to make in future. Follow us and let us know if this video was helpful. Thank you. I will catch you in the next lecture. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel TechWorld with Abdul, and also enable the bell icon to be the first ones to know all such rich content. Thank you.